Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. Oh my goodness. I can't believe we are like officially like halfway through October. So cheers. All right, so we're gonna make this real quick. I wanted to go ahead and share the holiday collection. I can't believe I haven't smelled these yet. They've been sitting on my counter in the kitchen and I have been holding off to smell these so I can do my first smells with you guys. I also have the Christmas vacation scent, which I have to say, Stu and I have smelled that one and it's amazing. Almost to the point where I almost warmed it up last night because I was like feeling all the coziness, and I love the fall. I love the cold that we're having, but I'm just getting super excited for Halloween and the holidays. So, but anyways, let's jump into it. We have the holiday collection. We have 5 new scents, and we are just gonna kind of start from the top. Let's see. We have the first one I got is Winter Twilight, and this is a fresh scent according to my website. So anyways, we have we have crisp mint, basks in light notes of lemon peel and warm amber. Ooh. And I love this color teal, like very Christmassy, like your modern Christmas. Oh, that smells good. It kind of reminds me of like a spearmint bubblegum, I think is the one I'm thinking of. Okay, so on the bottom I get that more citrusy. Oh, that smells good though. I like this. Very fresh, kind of watery. So what do we got? Notes of lemon peel and warm amber and mint. I definitely get the mint. Ooh, this is a good bathroom scent, I think. It's different though. It's not too minty. So if you're very weird with mints, I think this would be a good like starter scent for you. That smells really good. But it's like I said, it's giving me that like spearmint or double mint type of smell. And all I have in my head right now is the commercial of the double mint, or where they have like the twins doing everything and it's all double. That's good. I like that one. Very fresh. Very, very fresh. All right, next we have is Bundled Up. And let's see. I'm kind of excited for this one. It's another fresh scent. I love the different takes of the winter scents that Scentsy is doing. It's not just like your typical pine and like Christmas tree scents or cinnamon scents. They're kind of breaking out into other categories. So you kind of get like the coziness. I feel like there's a lot of coziness going on this year. So we have Bundle Up. I'm so excited to smell this one. So we have sandalwood blanketed in bright mandarin on soft pillows of vanilla orchid. Ooh. And look at, it's so like kind of reminds me of like a springy, there we go, like a spring color. Oh, this is good. This is a good bedroom scent. It's like wrapping yourself in a fuzzy blanket. Like seriously. Oh my God. Ooh, I love this one. So we got sandalwood blanketed in bright mandarin on soft pillows of vanilla orchid. Yeah, you definitely get that. It's not like your typical vanilla scent, but it's there, but I get the little like floral scent. I feel like the sandalwood isn't coming out as strong as it normally does. Oh, this is good. I might have to put this in the bedroom tonight, because I usually switch out my wax like midweek. That's good. So this actually kind of reminds me of the vanilla barnwood. I don't honestly think is back this season. Let me double check. I know it's in the is it back? Okay, it is back. So vanilla barnwood is back. So this kind of reminds me of that scent, vanilla barnwood. But this is a lighter scent, but Bundle Up. That's really good. I can't believe this is, I guess it's a fresh scent. Yeah. It's more linen-y, so if you like those linen I'm very particular with my linen scents because it's sometimes just too much for me, but this is really good. Oh my goodness, I can't. Yum, yum, yum. That's really good. I'm really excited for that one to warm up. And this is like a good November, I would even say October scent. Like this is good kind of like all throughout the season. So I'm super excited for this one. I'm gonna definitely be warming that up this week. Next one we have Frosted Fantasy. So I think this is a floral scent. Oh my goodness. No woodsy scent yet. All right, so we have notes of bergamot drift across snow-top blossoms of cedarwood cottage. And this is a floral scent. Interesting. Okay. Got that like sage green. I love this color. Loving the sageness. Oh my gosh, this is good too. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. This is like a combination of that spring flower, but with a twist with fall. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the top when you open up the clamshell, like what you first smell is like that nice floral like scent. Like I said, it reminds me of spring, but it's like not. It's like the fall spring, like when I don't know, like the mums and like stuff are starting to bloom, like the fall flowers are starting to bloom. And then the bottom, the base notes, that's where you get like your cedarwood or the bergamot and the cedarwood. This is good too. This is another great, I feel like November, October scent. I love this one. This I could see warming this up in the kitchen. Like this is a good everywhere scent, bathroom, living room. Like this is just good everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is going to be hard to pick. I'm loving all of these scents so far. I'm so excited. All right. Next one we have Ginger Cookie Crunch, which I'm assuming is a bakery scent based on the name Ginger Cookie, which it is. So we have this. Oh, let's go through the descriptions first. All right. So we have warm notes of crystallized ginger and crushed nutmeg sweetened with vanilla bean. So those bakery scents coming out. Look at that gorgeous color. Ooh, interesting. I thought it would be a little bit more. I'm surprised how much I'm liking this. I'm not a big ginger fan. Like, I'm not, like, it smells good. I don't like eating it. I'm not a big ginger man person, gingerbread house person. But this smells really good. This is like walking into a home and you're baking fresh cookies. Like, this is what this smells like. Obviously a kitchen scent for me. This would go in the kitchen. I guess you could warm this like in the living room too. Yeah, I definitely, this is a good ginger scent. Oh my goodness. So good. Crystallized ginger, crushed nutmeg, sweetened with a vanilla bean. And the nutmeg isn't too strong because I know that's a very predominant scent. This is good. Oh my, I might have to warm all of these scents up this week. Frosted Fantasy would probably go in the living room, maybe in our entryway, or what I call the entryway now. The bundle up would be in our bedroom, and Ginger Cookie Crunch. Oh, this is so good, you guys. I might throw that in there, like, after we're done doing this. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, last one. We have Holiday Market. And this is a fruity scent. Wow. Oh my gosh. Not your typical like holiday scents. There's no woodsy scent. There's no spice scent. We do have the bakery scent. But the rest are floral, fresh, and this is our fruity scent. So we have Holiday Market. We have vibrant pink grapefruit and pomegranate juice notes bustled between festive allspice stall. Huh. Interesting. And to me, I feel like this is going to smell like a strawberry, probably because I see like the fruitiness and like that strawberry like symbol and it's pink. So I associate those colors with like strawberries. But that's definitely not strawberry. Oh my gosh, this is good too. And I'm not a big fruit person, like fruity smell. Okay, definitely get the pomegranate with a splash of grapefruit. I'm not a grapefruit person either. Like the scent, the taste. Like I can eat grapefruit, but I don't like grapefruit drinks too much. Okay, there's the grapefruit right there. This is, oh my goodness. I got like at the very end that allspice came in. This is like one of those like potpourri stovetop things too. When you do, but it's not your typical like orange and apples and stuff like that. This is like your cranberries and your like the little star things and they're a little bit of nutmeg, but this is good too. This, you know what this reminds me of? Like a grapefruit, like champagne, like sparkly, bubbly type of drink. So good. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to rank these, you guys. Oh, that is good. Yeah, I get the pomegranate most and then just like a touch of grapefruit on that one. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to do this. All right. This one just like the winter twilight just reminds me of just reminds me of like bubblegum. Okay, so if I had to choose, oh my gosh, this is so hard. These are all really good. All right, I have to double up on these because like I can't pick because they're so different. So Frosted Fantasy and Bundle Up are my top two favorites. Like these are equally hand in hand. I actually cannot wait to warm these together. Like have one going, oh, that smells so good. Like have one going in the, like when you first walk into the house. And then you'll just have like that. And then I think I would have to do Ginger Cookie Crunch and Holiday Market. So like 3 and 4 if you have to, but I would say these are number 2. And this Holiday Market one would be good in the kitchen too. This would be good for like Thanksgiving Day morning. Like you're getting ready just to cook your turkey and your mashed taters and all that fun stuff. And then the Ginger Cookie Crunch, that's like what you warm like for dessert. Like when you're in the evening after dinner and you're stuffed. Oh, that's so good. And then the last one I would have to say, number 3 or number 5 would be Winter Twilight. Like this is a really good scent, but it reminds me of the double mint. And there's something else. I can't put I honestly don't know, but it smells like something else to me, but very, very good. So these are all are available. You can get this cute little tote when you order all of them together in the bundle. That's $25. You can also add these to your club and always get them forever. But look how cute these are. I love these little bags. I also wanted to smell the Christmas vacation scent with you guys. Another great scent. Oh my goodness. This one is a, what do they say this one is? This is a wood scent. So this is like your traditional Christmassy scent. And let me just read the description. Enthusiastic notes of fresh fir balsam tower precisely over a nostalgic blend of winter pear and holiday spice. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this color. Does that not scream Christmas? And this has all the Christmas scent. I cannot wait to warm this up. And I'm probably going to wait till we have the Christmas trees up. So bear with me. I will warm this up and review this. So it does smell amazing. I can't do Christmas scents until like Thanksgiving or after. But this just has this reminds me of walking into my parents' house. You have at Christmas, we always had the fresh wreaths on the door, and like this is what that smells like. It's not overbearing. It just smells good. And then when you open up the door, you have like all the nice warm holiday scents. Mom's cooking. Like that's what this reminds me of. It's just like warm and welcoming. It's very, you do get the pine, but I don't think this one's going to give me a headache because pine and like the Christmas smells sometimes are too much for me and I get headaches, but this smells really good, you guys. If you haven't gotten this one, I highly recommend it. Surprisingly, The RV and the Moose mug are still available. The Marquee is also still available. But I am loving this scent, and I haven't even warmed it up yet. So I'm super excited to get that warmed up. I have one more Christmas item that I have gotten that I wanted to share with you guys, and it's so stinking cute. I love it. I haven't opened this up yet, but it is the tabletop fan diffuser in Charming Snowman. You all know how I love my snowman. So it comes with the cord so you can plug it into your USB. I'm so excited. And it has some weight to it too. Like, I'm very surprised like how heavy this is. It looks like it's hand painted because you can definitely see some of the imperfections, which I personally love because, you know, like somebody actually took the time to like work on this, and you can see like it's not perfectly even, and I just think that's just adds to the beauty of these items. And it's like ceramic, you guys, but look how cute he is. Traditional Frosty the Snowman. Like, I am in love with him. The cardinal on his head, the scarf, his little smiling rosy cheeks, his little carrot top nose. Oh my gosh, the holly. If this does not scream like Christmas, vintage Christmas, I don't know what does. My alarm's about to go off because I got to go to work. But I just think he is so cute. There is a button on the back where you plug it in to turn him on and off. And he takes 2 pods. There it is. All right. But the fan diffuser can take up to 2 pods. You just, whoopsies. So they go in here. So you see the fan. And you can put 1 or 2 pods in there. You don't even know that they're in there. You just have this going. But oh my goodness, he is so cute. I love him. I kind of want to have one for home and at work because he's just adorable. We also have another Frosty warmer. And this guy has like he is so cute too. Like, this is just adorable. Whoops. So stinking cute. And he projects the snowflakes onto the wall. So this is a wax warmer that I'm showing you now. And this is the tabletop fan diffuser. But like, I just love him so much. So he's so cute. I cannot, oh, seriously, like, I just want to take him everywhere with me. He's adorable. Very classic I don't want to say 90s because it's probably not 90s, but just very traditional Christmas snowman to me. And I just love it. Okay, so I do have a couple more things to show you guys, but that's gonna have to wait till the next video. It is the October whiff box. So excited to share that with you, but I am running out of time, so I got to get going. But thank you so much for joining me. If you're watching the replay, don't forget to hashtag replay. Let me know which scent you are excited to try, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day, you guys.